On the 1st of January this year, I was in Zagreb, not to celebrate New Year, but to celebrate Croatia's accession to the Eurozone. And the joy I saw, the enthusiasm, the pride on that very day was impressive, was heartwarming, touching, and it once again told me that the euro is so much more than cash in our pockets. The euro defines in many ways what we are as a union between national identity and a European destiny. The euro is the symbol of the ideals we share and the stability we promote. 20 member states, 350 million people, one single currency.